if you know me, you know I don't really like sports. I mean, I do like basketball and going on my bike, but other than that, sports aren't really for me. When my parents got tickets to go to the Club World Cup in Pennsylvania, my brother was super excited. So a couple of days later, we got in the car and went to Pennsylvania. There was quite a bit of traffic, so we got there a little late. Actually, there was so much traffic that the guy in front of us got in a crash. In front of the parking lot. I'm so glad the person there let us go in front of the crash. Like, yay. Anyway, after we parked and got in the car, we ran into the stadium and saw the line at over 100 people waiting. So we waited for like 30 minutes until we finished the line, and you know what happened. Once we finished the line, we struggled to find our seats. We asked one of the people there where our seats were, and they told us a way to get them, so we got lost in the stadium. We then asked another person who worked there, and they gave us a different way to get up to our seats, so... And after everything, we got to our seats and enjoyed our game.